And a mistreat artist we can see. How can a sprat and manage an artist we cannot see? How? Me, Foota, I, to sit down and hear that and not say nothing. You no mad no blood to that. You no sick in our head, man. You no sick in our head, man. You no sick in our head, man. You no sick. Nige boy, you not gonna see this, but you can hear it. It not take a blind for see say you're not safe. You must can see as clear as day. Say it not safe if you want sprat and manage it. You know what you sing say? One continental girl. So how him dropping at this? How him fitting at that? Oh. Him nah no girl and him no want no girl. How him dropping at this? Oh. Me no want manage him. Ramesh can manage him. Sharon Burke can manage him. Royal Entertainment can manage him. Marcus Records can manage him. The amount of players we can manage him. Anyway, I prefer anybody else manage him. Him can use Salvation Army as him booking agent. Because Salvation Army grow him. Him can make them call Salvation Army line and book him. Him can call Bobby Candace them and Jabba them for manage him. Platinum Kids them can manage him. So you tell me say, him can call Ching Money them for manage him. A straight people have to manage him. Which part you hear sprat and manage people much less for manage one blind youth? You're mad? All Lewis can manage him. Swear. You're crazy, man. Are you out of your wits? Eh? All Russian can manage him. Them boy they cannot. Me a mash up the link there. Me a mash up the food there. You mad? You crazy? You don't have no sense. Nige boy, if you do that with it, your blessings we gotta give you right now, you wanna. Me too no ears. God. So when Nige boy parents there, when mother and him father and him cousin and him brother them and him uncle and something. No, fella. When me hear, he say, I want to business. And such man and such man and such. You're mad? Are you out of your fucking mind? That not safe? That not safe? Alright, me can see. I me left my drinks, yes sir. And go in the room there. And come back and see it move. Or two more drinks near it. Me nobody want it. So imagine a blind youth. We are going to bust in a that thing and try to see me know him and I want a regular blind youth. You know that look at youth here, him blind but him mind in a street. A gangster mind him have a street mind and him a gallus. How can you trust somebody who is shaky to be your manager? Eh? How? How? You have to shift up. Boy, you manage. Manage where? Move up. Pussy wall. You mad? Manage where? You think me a sit down here and make you come take disadvantage of the little youth? Or use money where you make off for the little youth to buy bottom? You mad? You crazy? That can't work. That cannot work. That cannot work. If you manage him, you get 20% or 10% out of the money where him get. What you gonna do with that money there? Go bribe people pitney and buy bottom? No, can't work. Cannot work. Go one side. Go manage somebody. Go manage RuPaul or somebody over the shaky side. The youth are illustrate this. The man say one continent a girl a rush down. Where you involve? You know like girl? A bottom you like. Where you want to manage the youth for? A bottom you like. Where you want to manage the youth for? Eh? What kind of one no low dance all alone and go, man? One no go one side, man. Me tired of you now, man. If you don't like Bumbo Clock dance hall, how no sound over lean world, gonna make money over lean world now? Low straight world, no bridging? Low over here now? Uno say dancehall people don't like uno, so why you no want over here? Why you want manage people over here? Why you want turn artists? Why you want tell you what to say over here? Why you offended by what we say low we and go over for uno world? Uno have no one TV station, uno have no one artist them, uno have no one show them, uno keep uno have no one club them. Go suck on no mother na my youth and still over for uno world. Go over for uno world, man. Where the bumbo clock you know want out of dance, I'll go over for uno. We no like uno. And we no want to no like we neither. Stay over where them accept uno, no, man. Bumbo clock I want to no. Go suck on no mama man and stay over there, so. The youth say my dancer. My member say most blind youth, you know. A gospel artist, you know. I like me I tell. Most blind youth a gospel them I do, you know. The youth I say, yeah, dance all him I do. And God goes up, bam, and give him the break. Make we like the song. Pan Russian with him, and whole away and dance it. And I see selector play it and dance now and everything. I say, yes, Father God. Bless him. Why you think God? And someone not me now. Collab with him. And them want to do some work. So out of respect, remember me could have tried to talk to the youth to get it done and try hustle the money and rail. Because them say me are the most bad mind, and me are the most corrupt, and me are the most grudgeful, and me are the most least. So me should have tried hustle to make money. I wasn't doing that. Me message the youth and say, who are angry of business? When the youth reply, you know, I don't even know if I the youth reply or if I the said sprat, you know. The only thing I could have said a jaja. And leave me nobody say another word, you know. The way me shame, disappointed, fearful. Me I look upon all the youth future I go fuck up, you know. At the first one I got hear me say this. At the first one I got hear me say this. Ramesh, Sharon Burke, Sharon Williams, Kerry and Royal Entertainment. Somebody please go save Nige boy, the blind youth. Please. Please go save him. May I beg on you. Please. Squidel. Somebody will know about management and somebody will have a straight person. Please. Go save the youth there. Go save the youth there. Please go save that. Just him around that spread there. Me not trust him around that spread the dog. It bother me, dog. Please, me I beg you. Please. 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 Me I beg. Me I beg. Do me a beg on you. Please, 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 please. But I forget that youth are from around that company. Zane, I'm black, that's the person. Hold on. Me don't know if Nigeria boy sign a contract, and first thing Nigeria boy cannot see to sign any contract. So that all alone is a breach. And somebody have to sign on behalf of Nigeria boy. Because Nigeria boy can't see where am I right, where am I sign to. And if a braille, all the braille can trick. You understand what I mean? All the braille can be a trick. All the braille can be a trick. You're mad? You're crazy, youth. We can really leave him in the hands of Sprat. We, as real, true, and honest, decent people, can leave a blind youth in the care of Sprats? No, no. We can't do it. Can't work. Him no know nothing. First thing, take the Sprat part out of it. That the big idiot pussy will they know nothing about management. Nothing. He could even manage himself. Pan top of it. Him a Sprat. It cannot work. Cannot work. And anybody do that to the blind youth, if the mother do it, she forget a fire. And if I do it, him forget. I respect everybody, mother and father, but if you care about the youth, you could never do that. How you mean? Then why? Why? You can trust them? Or you trust them with you around your pitney? Or you can trust your pitney around them there?